Sincerity will give their heart and soul into the game so that it becomes a grand success for the tournament organized by Mr. A.L. MLA from.
Ya kitu ki kentin ki jong pi ki jing mat phang ki jong pi ya ki jing penya ki jong pi ya ki program. Kani ko program nyimla klem dai kublei ya kitu baro ki badan benta hakane ka program ko jingi ko bamenta ka janmit. Ningkong ning shop ya ngai kublei ya I chief guest jongi ya iba CM Smith. Big round of applause for you so that you have come here to grace this futsal tournament of 25 years of humble saving of our local MLA. Tengi ai kublei ru ya I special guest jongi I special guest ba el hek mo ba lengba ladam dan mai kamut kanika ka program ko jingi ka nomlong hiru kumbagalong kumni dei mai balapnya ya kanika jing ya kalenti ki jongi ka ba arsan snem ka ba ngila pat ban pelong I kini program hakani ki janmit ka bamenta ngai ku bleiru ya I guest of honor jongi ba dia lanong
we ka game ka ba ki state ba nani skmat hakat snem ya ka first futsal bala form de da Juan Carlos Chiellini but in Uruguay in the years 1930 kani ka futsal ka kio hadu kata karukom in the years 1989 la introduced ya ka FIFA the through ka FIFA in the years 2019 la introduce apo ka India jakalong ka ike ba sotanat ba ni hakani ka jala jo ni UI ba kani ka futsal kala jangkiu wat ikna samla ke joni nakani ka jala ke joni kila kiu bat kalong ka jing so sarong kawai ba ni kum nakasnong joni ladon way player ba represent ya kan Hero National Championship kapalong apa New Delhi last year 2021 uta de kitbok lang kriam but it represent ya kan Delhi FC but ke Delhi FC ke de kawai ke team kapala job hakani ka first Hero National Championship ya ka futsal kalong ke pasotanat ban sangap niyo kena banasnong jani basa golfling hakadong lom sakan for belayo benta ban mi khmat nakani ka program nila ban pinmi sisu sadok kum kiwi ikna samla ki badan hakasap dan
te baro kinong song hakani ka penthor khra consensi 14 penthom khra consensi ke bangi khap min sakati ke 18 menta kala 14 tengi tebi ba elek ide utau brio ubam juthat ibadan kata ka jingesha lani ka passion ibadan kata ka dedication ibadan kata ka mensim ban syakri bat kai ka pelong ibi ne hadu arsan snem kadai ka jingesha ba ka jing tristam mangaskan ma man ka ba isikran me ang ba kawi ka tin pareng simple is powerful very simple is powerful umdan ka mali just be simple because your simplicity is very powerful tenginge jaktan ka jinglong simple jengi lesi baro kapelongi kasukha banya kundu I ban approach I hakano kano kapor la idan ko minister lani ilong tangkong local MLA ibi kaju kadur samki be kabasuk bangilaban approach ni dan hakino kibenta kibaki pait nong song jong ni ka penthorong khra consensi habaki mat ya kano ka jingdon kam jong ki lesi kalang bala balong hakakam song kam thau leni kala balong hakino ki kam NGO sang balang ne kalong ka personal level ru kasuk.
I'd like to thank the honorable chief guest today CM Smith, one of the oldest personality from Golfling Dorbar Golfling residence, and also he had a lot of contribution to the Dorbar Snow Golfling through his eminent personality. And also we have our guest of honor today, respected guest of honor by dear Lanong, who are here in our Golfling area only, staying in Mopon, and also he also immensely had contributed directly and indirectly for the all-round development of the Pantorkra Golfling Dorbar Shillong. And we have also Babu Yonis, the ex-headman, our respected special headman of headman and ex-headman, and special guests today who are present here in our midst this evening. We are thank you to all of you, Ba Dorka, then Ba Dimar. Then the special thanks goes also to our Mandal President, Badeng Ananias Dongdhar, who has been the backbone of all the tournament which is organized by this Silver Jubilee celebration. So this Silver Jubilee celebration is not AL Heck Silver Jubilee celebration, but it is the celebration, Silver Jubilee celebration of the people of Pantorkra constituency.
That unity, and you will respect your team and your opponent. The best team will win.